Here I've got OPPO Reno4 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to 4 other buttons we can manage. Now let's focus on this one from the right. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings, and as you can see here we have the location option. So by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, like that. So this option allows us to save the location of our picture, but the important information here is that to make it work correctly when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these 2 parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take the picture. And from here let's go to the left corner at the bottom. When we pick this button here, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. As you can see here we have short information about the city we are. To check more details about the location we have to go here to the right corner at the bottom to more and pick the details. As you can see here at the 3rd position we have the full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.